following video, we're going to learn a little bit about finger picking guitar, how to use our fingers to play certain notes. So basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be matching our fingers with the strings. And we're going to start off by matching the thumb with the 3 bass notes. That means we're going to be hitting string number 4, 5, and 6. Finger number 1 is going to be in charge of string number 3. Finger number 2 is going to be in charge of hitting string number 2, and finger number 3 is going to be hitting the last string, string number 1, right? So it's going to go like this. We're going to have a bass note. We're going to have string number 3, 2, and 1. I can go ahead and change my thumb to string number 5 and do the same arpeggio in the bottom. Now I can go to string number 4. Back to string number 6. One more time. So basically what I'm doing is I'm making sure that the thumb is hitting the bass notes. String number 3 is going to be played by finger number 1. String number 2 is being played by finger number 2. And string number 1 is being played by finger number 3. And I'm matching them up and I'm just going down in a down direction. Let's try that one more time. We're going to do it 4 times each string, right? Each bass note. Now you are ready to experiment with chords. Let's try to bring in G, right? The G chord. And to play the G, all you're doing is finger number 3 in string number 1, finger number 1 on fret number 2, string number 5, and finger number 2 in fret number 3, string number 6, right? And that's how we get a G. Now instead of strumming, what I'm doing is I'm going to do that simple arpeggio that I was doing. I'm just going to go through the bass and do the arpeggio in the bottom, right? So I'm doing 6, 5, 4, 6 again. One more time. Now you're ready to start experimenting with different chords. What you can do is you can play with the chords that you already know and just do the same technique. Use the thumb to hit the bass notes, and you can also do the same fingering in the bottom where you match up string number 3 with finger number 1. Finger number 2 is going to be hitting string number 2, and finger number 3 is going to be hitting the last string in the bottom, okay? So go ahead and practice.